Hello everyone. Now we are going to do another question on Inter FM cost of capital chapter. This is one of the questions that students have requested me. So if you have any such requests on some tough questions which you feel is important but you're unable to understand the logic, you can always message me. Not only that, friends, you can be a part of the mentoring program where I'm giving you a free study plan. You have 3 mock exams, 3 MCQs, and apart from that, all free doubt clearing sessions also. So for getting those details, click on the link below in the description so that you can join for our exclusive mentoring program. All right. Now let's not waste any further time. Let us take illustration number 11 from my mastery book. Friends, if you are a part of mentoring, this mastery book is also given to you free of cost. This contains all the study material and the past examination questions so that you can revise in a much more logical manner. So friends, illustration number 11, they are asking you to calculate the cost of equity by using realized yield approach. So here they have given you dividend per share for different periods 1, 1, 1.2, 1.25 and then you have 1.15. And they have given you the price at the beginning also. So friends, they have given you price for different periods. So when they give you price for different periods, you should find out the KE also for different periods. Friends, if you have attended my class, you would know that I always keep saying one very important thing, that is value of an asset is nothing but it is the present value of future cash flows. So here I would say P0 is equal to P1 plus D1 divided by what? Divided by 1 plus KE. So when I'm trying to solve it in this manner, I would say the P0 is how much over here? 9 rupees, correct? This equation actually can be reworked and I can call it as 1 plus KE is equal to P1 plus D1 divided by P0. That's a much more easier way of doing it. So now tell me, what is my P1 over here? That is 9.75 plus 1 rupee divided by 9. So let's just check now. 9.75 plus 1 divided by 9 will give me the answer as 1.194. How much percentage? 90.44%. I hope everybody is clear with this. So if you come down like that, they have got 1.1944, they got 1.2821 in the same manner, 1.0609 and 1.0772. Down they have done, we can actually take an overall consolidation using a geometric mean method, but that is not relevant for your exams, friends, because you're not allowed to use scientific calculator in the exam. So you can ignore the last part. You can give the KE for 1, 2, 3, 4 separately, friends. I hope this video was useful to all of you. Please subscribe to my channel to get more such videos and also give me all your feedback so that we both can improve, learn together and win together. Thank you so much, friends. Have a nice time ahead.